In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a map for a globe in Substance Painter. Drag and drop your mesh into Substance Painter. The link to the model I'm using is in the description. Choose your document resolution and click OK. There are 3 textures on this mesh. Under the Texture Set Settings tab, use Bake Mesh Maps. Change your output size if needed. Select Bake Selected Textures. Drag and drop your texture maps, if you have any, into Substance Painter. Make sure you import them as texture. Select the wood material and add a fill layer. Drag the base color map onto the base color property. Select the roughness map and drag the roughness map onto the roughness property. And select the normal map and drag the normal map onto the normal property. Repeat this process for the other wood material. Select the globe mesh and add a fill layer. Change the base color property. This will be your land. Right-click on the fill layer and add a black mask. Right-click on the black mask and add a fill layer. Clear out the search bar. Under the Textures tab, search for a texture to use for the land mass. Drag and drop this texture onto the grayscale property. Make changes to the parameters until you reach a look you like. Make any other changes you want by selecting the base color and changing the height and roughness maps. You've now successfully textured a map in Substance Painter. These steps can be adapted to any model. By mastering this technique, you can easily generate props for your various projects. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.